I'm sorry, we don't have the filament. We are not going to be able to 3D print today.
Aww.
Any suggestions?
Yeah, I have a suggestion.
Yes.
If you can get me 80 plastic bottles, I can get you a new spool of filament.
Is that all you need?
And some helping hands.
What do you guys think?
Okay. Yeah.
That is amazing, Tito. You've got to tell me how that works.
So what we are is we are an eco-technology company called Trimatis LLC. And what we do is we utilize post-consumer plastic and innovation to create a sustainable way to 3D print. Phase 1, which is the collection phase, is what we're about to go head downstairs and do right now.
We got the 80 bottles.
Awesome. So now that we got the 80 bottles that we need, we can now jump into our second phase, the repurposing phase. Cool. Guys, let's do this.
Amazing. Hi.
Hi.
I'm Mrs. Litz.
Hi, I'm Marietta.
Hi, nice to meet you.
We're Trimatis. Tito said you need some filament.
We do, and we heard you can help us out.
Yeah, we can. We developed a process that converts plastic bottles into 3D printed filament. All we need are some plastic bottles.
Well, guess what? Tito got them.
Awesome.
Okay, so what you just saw was phase 2, where we take the plastic waste and convert it into 3D printer filament. Our next phase is distribution, where we focus on marketing and selling to schools and universities who already utilize 3D printers in their curriculum and understand the importance of sustainability.
So we get 3D printer filament and
Uh-huh. Save
we're
the
saving the
environment.
environment.
Hey, the filament's here!
Yay! Before we go, we have to say thank you to Trimatis. What a great job they did, and we're all going home with cell phone cases. But can we make a monetary donation?
Yes, you can. We are currently running a crowdfunding campaign where we're raising money for our business so that we could continue creating filament solutions for schools and universities. And don't forget, we're not only helping schools and universities, we're also helping the environment.